Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on PayPal. So first thing you're going to do is to log into your PayPal account and click the home page to be able to see your PayPal balance. And from here on the left, you would be able to see create an invoice, add card or bank, and more. So we're going to create an invoice, so click create an invoice. Now we are in the invoice section. In the invoice section, you would be able to see or add information to who are you billing or who are you requesting money from and what are they paying for. Are they paying for a service, a product? And then, for example, I'd add a new item. So here you could see the section what are they paying for, which is you could select an option if it's a goods or a service, then the name of the product or the service, then the quantity, and then the price per unit. You could also be able to edit the currency and add tax, discount, and the date. And of course, you could be able to add the description to be able to send a heads up for the buyer. Then next, you could add ship items to an add address, then notes and attachments. You could be able to have terms and conditions, the reference number, some memo to yourself, and then you could add files or pictures for confirmation of the transaction. And that's it. After that, you just go and send it, and it would be sent to who are you billing for. And that's how you make and create an invoice to PayPal.